Naghintay ka ba? Wala na, it's a prank.
Charot!